Okay, based on the examples that I read, this was how I can best explain it to you. So you need to have two different ways to do it for each problem. So for your first problem, you have x is less than negative 13. We have to set up our set builder notation first with your brackets. And then you have x, and then this line is such that. And then you rewrite your inequality, x is less than negative 13, and then you have your conditions. Now since you are just given negative 13, we're assuming that all of the numbers in the set are going to be real numbers, so you have to have x includes real numbers. Now for interval notation, that's where you give a beginning and an end. Since you have a less than sign, we're going to use just regular parentheses. We're not going to use brackets because brackets mean it includes. So you have your x. Oops, sorry. You're starting with negative infinity because x is less than 13. And then you're going all the way to 13. Since it's less than, it can't include it, so we put parentheses on the outside. If it was less than or equal to negative 13, we would put brackets here instead. But since it's just a less than, we have to put regular parentheses. All right, for number 4, they give you the number set, and it starts with negative 4, and it goes all the way to negative 1. So right away, we're using whole numbers here, so we're going to use W at the end of our set builder notation. So first, we have to put in our brackets, and we have x such that, and it looks like it's going to be x is greater than or equal to negative 4. And then we have to set our conditions such that x includes all whole numbers. For your interval notation, we're going to put a bracket at the end because x can equal negative 4, so it's starting with negative 4, and it's got to be greater than, so it goes all the way up to infinity. And anytime you have infinity, you put a parenthesis at the end because infinity is not an actually defined number. So that's how you do that, as far as I can tell.